All right, so if you're wondering if these clippers and grooming kit are worth it, look just how easy this is actually cutting my dog's hair. All right, so this is Molly, and she cannot see. She is looking like the hot mess express, definitely in need of a haircut. And that is what we are doing today with the Furry Touch Clipper Grooming Kit. Now, I do want to thank the company for sending this to me to check out. All right, now I do have it on the low setting, and you can see that my dog has a lot of hair and she gets severely matted, and it is very thick hair. So I am actually going to pop this up to the high setting. Good, you're so good. You want to lay down. Yeah. All right, let me see your face. Where are we at on your face? Now, this kit does come with everything you need to do an entire grooming session. It comes with the clippers themselves, a comb to brush out the tangles, some scissors to get those hard to reach places around eyes and stuff, of course, a charging cord, oil, and a brush to keep the clippers clean. And then it comes with 6 different guard or blade attachments for different cutting lengths. You have a 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, 12mm, 15mm, and 18mm. Now, personally, I use 6mm for my dog's face and then 3 for the body. I do like her body cut a little bit shorter, but I like her face left a little bit longer, so it is a little bit fluffy like a cute little lion. And then I just blend those together. The clippers themselves are super easy to use. Now, if you can see here, it does come with a 5-setting adjustable ring. And what that means is you can adjust the length of the blade here. You see how right now I have it set on 0.8. And this white guard and the blade are very close together. Now, if I was to change that all the way over to the 2.0 setting and turn this on, you can see it popped up and there is more distance between the white and the metal blades. Now, as far as the on button, it does have 2 power settings. The first one is like a low, it's 6,000 RPM, and you can also see your battery level on the screen as well. You press it once to get on low, second to get on the higher speed, which bumps it up, it looks like, to like 7,000 RPMs. And this is kind of what it sounds like on the high speed. Oh, look how well this cuts. You can see how fluffy she is. I do have the 3 blade on. Just look at how well this glides through her hair and cuts like whole chunks of it off. You can see all that hair just, we got some matted hair right here. And even though they do make like a buzzing, humming noise, it is not really seeming to bother her at all. She's just chilling and laying down and letting me, oh, now she's gonna roll over to the side like she's gonna take a little nap. Now, I do love that this set come with scissors so that you can get places around the feet. All right, so just look at her. She is looking like a whole brand new dog. Look at me, boo-boo. Ain't her so cute? She can see her face now. Now, if you were wondering about battery life of this on a full charge, if you can see this, I have 80% battery left, and I did an entire full groom on my dog. And it came with this cute little carrying case. So when you are done with your grooming session, you can literally just pack everything up for easy storage in like a cabinet or a drawer. All of the pieces fit nicely into this little bag, and it has a drawstring. So this is the aftermath now that I have to clean up. Just look at all that hair. I could make a second dog. So if you were wondering if this Furry Touch grooming clipper set would work for your dog, hope this helps.